Hello everyone, this is Super from SINOMADA, which is committed to construction machinery for 16 years. Today we are in HELI factory. HELI is the world top 5 vehicle industries founded in 1956. Today I'd like to show you HELI factory and their parts products. Let's go! Today, I'd like to introduce you a super hot selling model, CPCT13. It is a design forklift with 3 tons lifting capacity, and this forklift equipped with Quanchai engine with 15 rated horsepower. It is standard 2-stage 3 meters mast. New extra wide rim mast provides better visibility for safer and faster operations. Now look at the tails. They are solid tails. They are more wear resistant. If you have any interest about our machines, please feel free to contact me. Goodbye.